Apple Creator Studio gets smarter, faster, and more connected. And that's a big deal for creators everywhere. Today, Apple announced a major update to their flagship Creative Suite, and it's packed with new features that are going to change the way we make digital content. If you've ever used any of the Apple Creative apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, or GarageBand, this update is going to feel like a major upgrade. But it's not just about making things look better or sound better. It's about making the creative process faster, more intuitive, and more connected than ever before. So what exactly has Apple done? Let's break it down. The first big change is smarter workflows. Apple has been working on making their creative apps more intelligent. And this update takes that to the next level. Now, creators can expect more automated suggestions, smarter editing tools, and even better integration between apps. For example, Final Cut Pro now has new machine learning features that can help with tasks like color grading, audio leveling, and even scene detection. This means you can spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on the creative parts of your work. It's like having a smart assistant that understands what you're trying to achieve and helps you get there faster. Another key update is faster performance. Apple has always been known for its powerful hardware, and this update ensures that their creative apps are even more responsive and efficient.
Whether you're working on a high-resolution video project, a complex music production, or a detailed graphic design, you'll notice a big difference in how smoothly everything runs. This is especially important for creators who work with large files or need to render videos quickly. The new optimizations make sure that even the most demanding projects run without lag or crashes. But the biggest change, in my opinion, is how much more connected everything is. Apple has been pushing for a more seamless experience across their ecosystem, and this update takes that to the next level. Now, creators can work across multiple Apple devices with greater ease than ever before. For example, you can start editing a video on your iPhone, continue on your iPad, and then finish it on your Mac, all without losing any progress. The integration between devices is more seamless than ever, and it's designed to keep you in the flow of your creative work without interruptions. This level of connectivity is made possible by new features like real-time collaboration and improved file sharing. Imagine working on a project with a team of creators, all using different Apple devices. Now you can share files and edits in real time, and everyone can see the changes as they happen. This is a game changer for collaborative projects, especially for those working remotely or across different time zones. The ability to work together in real time without having to constantly sync files or wait for updates is a huge step forward in how we create digital content. Another exciting addition is the new collaboration tools that come with Apple Creator Studio. These tools are designed to help teams work together more efficiently, whether they're in the same room or on opposite sides of the world. You can now invite others to view or edit your projects, and they can make changes directly within the app. This means that feedback and revisions can happen in real time, which is a big deal for creative projects that require input from multiple people. It's like having a virtual studio where everyone can contribute, no matter where they are. Apple has also made some improvements to the user interface and overall experience of the apps. The new design is more intuitive, with better navigation and more customizable options. This means that creators can personalize their workspace to suit their workflow, whether they're a professional video editor, a music producer, or a graphic designer. The updated interface also includes more visual cues and better feedback, which helps you stay focused on your work without getting lost in the software. One of the most impressive aspects of this update is how it's been designed with the future in mind. Apple is clearly thinking about how creators will need to work in the coming years, and this update is a big step in the right direction. By making their creative apps smarter, faster, and more connected, Apple is not only improving the current experience but also laying the groundwork for even more advanced tools down the line. This is a big deal because it shows that Apple is committed to supporting creators and helping them push the boundaries of what's possible with their tools. For creators who use Apple products, this update is